How's it going, everybody? This is 2017 Leaf Valiant Football number 12. The last box of the case, number 8. Thanks everyone for getting in tonight. Appreciate it. JaspysHowthat.com, $10 breaks. We're back live on Tuesday. So we're going to roll the dice. We're going to go 3 and a 5, 8 times. 8 times on both lists. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Mike up top, down to Mike at the bottom. There we go. Now for the list of players, 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What did I say? 8 times? Yeah. 6, 7, and 8. Deonta Foreman down to Malachi Dupree. Alright, so I'll go down the list real quick for verification purposes. And then let's A through Z it. Alex there, right there. You got some spots. Mike M. With some players right there. We got Regimel. Richard K. Right there. We have Ryan right there with some spots. And then TJ ended off there. I'm going to print the list, and there wasn't any trading the whole case, so I doubt there'll be any this box. So we're going to get right into it. Let's move this over here. Last box of the case right here. Good luck. Thanks everyone for getting in tonight. Appreciate it. Jason's got 2 left in Premier Hockey. 2 teams left. And they're going to leave the last case just sitting. It's going to get all cold. Alright, here we go. First one up, we got Chad Kelly. Whoa. You guys don't want me that big. I controlled F the wrong screen here. Regimel with that one. Sorry about that. 2 out of 50. Regimel with the Chad Kelly. Had a lot of this guy. Joshua Dobbs. Joshua Dobbs. That's going out to Mike M with the gold Josh Dobbs. 4 out of 10. Nice one. 4 out of 10 Joshua Dobbs. We got a red autograph numbered 1 of 1. D.D. Westbrook, 1 of 1 autograph for Regimel with the D.D. Westbrook spot. That's our first, although we had the printing plate, our first true 101 from Leaf Valiant in the last box there. D.D. Westbrook for Regimel. Congrats. And the last one of the break is a 9/5/10 Touchdown Machines autograph of Alvin Kamara. 9/5 with the 10 auto. 21 out of 50. It's going out to Ryan Wagner with that one. Ends off our Leaf Valiant case. We did a whole case today by 1 boxes, so that's awesome. Thanks everyone for getting in tonight. Appreciate it. And go check it out, JaspysHowthat.com.